Hi guys, today we will be unboxing the Black Plus portable PC headset by Silvertech. This is a PC headset with microphone. It has a 3.54 pins jack Gold plug. Technical specifications: it has a 40mm driver units, maximum input power 300 milliwatts, impedance 32 ohms, sensitivity 112 to plus or minus 3 decibels, has a wide range of frequency response of 20 to 20 kHz. So let's unbox this first. Out of the box, it looks pretty simple and light in terms of weight. We have the microphone at the left side part of the headphones. The frame is mostly made of plastic. The phones can be extended for wearing. It feels a little bit fragile though. It has an individual volume controller, which you can see, a 3.5mm plug, and a 2.1 meter cord, which is enough if you are using it from your PC or laptop. It has a synthetic-like, leather-like feel at the top, and it has both pads at the left side and right side, and it feels kinda soft. In terms of audio quality, it can handle lows and highs quite nicely, but it has a quite lacking of clarity in terms of sound. But overall, I would still like this headphones for its price, and surround sound is nice. You would be able to distinguish the sound from the left side, right side, center, or at the back. After a long time of usage, it did not hurt my ear. It feels comfortable. So that's overall my review of these headphones. I hope you like this video. Thanks.